La Boti Video 1.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Azul Hair Collections YouTube channel. If it's your first time with us today, welcome. My name is Nick, I'm the owner of Azul Hair Collection, and this is the place where you're going to find great hair extension tutorials and giveaways. Yes, actual real hair products, hair accessories being given away to you. Make sure you subscribe below and hit the bell button because our giveaways are time sensitive, so make sure you hit it. So today's topic is, of course, the kinky straight hair. Kinky straight is great hair for normal natural hair wearers. It gives you that blown out look. This is just fresh out of the pack. I took my comb and just kind of fluffed it out a little bit because I'm filming. But there's a lot of other things you can do with kinky straight hair. It really is a good texture match if you normally wear your hair in its natural state and you want to show for like a blown out look, or let's say that you pressed out your hair. So the wig I'm wearing right now is our transparent lace. All of our lace are Swiss-based laces, but this is the transparent. The beautiful thing about transparent lace is all you have to do is take your makeup, foundation, powder, whatever, and you just rub it on the inside of where the lace area is. And because of the color of the transparent lace, meaning it's not necessarily you can see through it, it's just a really bland color. It picks up exactly on the tint of your makeup, so you get a really nice flawless match. Now this wig is our lace front. It's a 13 by 6 inch. That means you have a lot of parting space, so it goes back 6 inches, can't speak, 6 inches, and then all the way over here to this area is 6 inches, and then it starts to slowly taper down into more like a 1 inch area as you get closer to the ear. Okay, enough talking about this hair, let's do some styling. So I want to show you two different options. Well, actually I guess it's three because you wear it how it comes out of the pack, but you can also straighten it and curl it. I want you to see how well this hair takes the heat in straightening and also in curling. So let's get to the first look. This is the Infiniti Pro by Conair, if you can see that. It gets pretty warm, so it gave me a protective glove, but I'm stubborn, I'm not going to use it. So yeah, let's get curling. Let's do the first one. there you go, 2 great options with the kinky straight hair. Just to let you know, like I mentioned before, we sell this in full lace and lace front, bundles, clip-ins, closures, frontals, also in HD lace, and soon to come our flawless invisible knot lace. So head on over to our website, check us out at azulhaircollection.com. Oh wait, did you think I forgot about the giveaway? I didn't forget about the giveaway. Gotcha. So this week for our giveaway, we are going to be offering a 20-inch Velcro wrap kinky straight ponytail. If you hadn't seen my previous video on YouTube, I actually demonstrated the ponytail. It was not the best video footage. That day was just excellent day for styling, horrible day for filming, but it shows you how flexible a Velcro wrap ponytail is, how easy it is to apply, and also gives you a lot of style options. So I'll put the link below to that video if you want to take a look at it, but we are going to be giving one away. One 20-inch Velcro wrap ponytail. So what do you need to do? Simple. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow us on Instagram. You can find us on Instagram at Azul Hair Collection, and once you've done those 2 things, you will be automatically entered to win this ponytail. Now, to make sure that we know that you have actually done those 2 things, make sure you put a comment below saying, I have completed that, or I'm ready to enter, or I've done it, or include me, something. Just add something down below in the comments, because we're going to use your YouTube username for the drawing. Now the drawing will be next week Thursday. We're going to do it live on YouTube, so again, it's really cool to hit the bell button so you don't miss out. We'll only be doing 1 drawing, so not waiting for anybody to respond. You don't have to be there live as we're doing it, but it would be cool if you are. But just make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, and then just put a comment below that you've done those things, and you will be automatically entered to win a ponytail. Alright YouTube, I'll see you next week Thursday. Good luck to you. Make sure you subscribe, follow on Instagram, comment below. You could have some of this hair in your possession within the next 2 weeks for free from our collection. Have a great weekend. I will see you next time.